Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titignan natin ang energies for you ngayong new moon in Leo sa July 25, 2025 at 3:10 a.m. Philippine time. Ayan. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. At meron tayong 20% discount sa mga tarot reading services. So, grab nyo na yung opportunity hanggang July 31 lang yan, yung 20% discount. Okay, so, mas maganda na panoorin nyo to sa perspective ng inyong sun, ng moon, at ng rising sign ninyo specifically or ng ascendant. So, for you, Aquarius, this is happening in your 7th house of relationship. So, maaring iba sa inyo merong new commitment or new relationship na papasukin. And, ano to mas highlighted. Oo. Maaring may special announcement, pwedeng may engagement, or you will announce sa mas maraming tao yung relationship mo. Hindi siya patago. Also, nandito rin si Mercury. Mercury is in retrograde right now. Pwede rin kasing iwasan yung yung pagpasok sa relationship na hindi ka sigurado. Okay? Pwede kasing nabibigla ka lang sa emosyon mo, maaring itong person na to ay nagpakita ng interest sa'yo, tapos parang feeling mo, siya na talaga, pero hindi pa pala, no? Bigyan mo muna ng time, siguro mga 2 months, ganyan. Or hanggang matapos yung Mercury retrograde, okay? Kasi maaring communication kasi yung Mercury, so pwedeng may mga hindi napagkakaintindihan or hindi malinaw pagdating sa pagpapahayag ng nararamdaman or yung gusto sa isang relationship. Even sa business partnership to kasi pwede ring papasok ka sa business partnership. Okay? Hindi naman kailangang romantic lagi. Pwede itong sa business. And any relationship na malapit sa'yo. Meron tong opposition sa first house, which is about yourself. As in, parehong degree. 2 degrees kasi si Moon tsaka si Pluto. It's about transformation. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring may nagbabago, no, sa pananaw nyo pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon, and you feel like it's time to get into a relationship, start a connection, or maari ring kahit hindi to romantic, pwedeng you will start to connect with other people in a deeper level, no, or maaring hindi ka na masyadong mahihiya, no, to show yourself na mas magpakatotoo. Okay? So, things are changing kasi ngayon. Maaring you are transforming to a new version of yourself. Oo, mas mas authentic, mas totoo, mas open. Okay? And meron kasi tong positive aspect sa 5th house mo, which is about your passion, dating, and Uranus is also here. So, si Uranus, actually hindi naman siya naka-retrograde ngayon. So, ibig sabihin niyan, direct siya, unexpected. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring magkaroon ng unexpected love life or dating life, or maaring pumunta ka sa isang place na maraming tao, tapos may nakilala ka or pinakilala ng kaibigan mo, ganon. Or any connection na magkakaroon kayo ng close relationship. So, whether this is romantic or platonic or business. Okay? Meron din tong trine, which is a positive aspect sa yung 3rd house of communication, connections, relationships. Nandito rin si Saturn. So, yun nga lang si Saturn kasi hindi siya ganun kasaya sa Aries, no? Kasi it's about restriction, yung energy ni Saturn. Maaring meron ka mga kaibigan talaga na tutulong sa'yo to make connections, yung mga bagay na ano, iniiwasan mo before or hindi ka open sa mga ganong ideas, ngayon you are becoming open to new ideas. Maraming nagbabago sa'yo. And having Pluto here, it's a long time transformation. Parang mahaba yung transformation na to para sa'yo, para sa sarili mo. And ngayon magsisimula yan sa kung paano ka kumonek sa iyong relationships, on how you show yourself when it comes to connecting with your romantic partner, business partners. So I think mas magiging open ka ngayon, mas magiging um, risk taker pagdating sa relationships. Fifth house is also about children, no? Or pwede rin pregnancy to. So if you are sexually active, you have to be careful rin kasi Uranus is here and it's in direct. So direct siya, so ibig sabihin pwedeng mabilisang mangyari, hindi mo inaasahan, unexpected. So be careful, lalo na Mercury is in retrograde right now. Oh my God, wag masyado maging mapusok pagdating sa sexual connections. Pag hindi ka pa ready, ingat. Pag ready ka naman na, edi go. Go for it. And then Neptune is also in Aries in your third house. So mas magiging creative ka rin kasi fifth house is also about creativity. Marami kang mga ideas na may isip, mabubuo na maaring mga creative projects mo or passion projects mo na itatry mo. And I think someone is going to help you. Can be, pwedeng i-inspire ka ng isang kaibigan or isang mahal sa buhay na ituloy mo yung mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Okay, so let's see what other energies. Seventh house energy, what's the energy? Puro energy for Aquarius. Ooh, the world. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are connecting sa, pwedeng long distance relationship ito. Pwede ring foreigner. Oo. Or, this can be a business partnership sa ibang bansa. Like, meron kang partner sa let's say sa US, para sa business mo dito sa Pilipinas and vice versa. May achievement, oo. You will be successful in this partnership. What is the energy of the fifth house? Ooh, Wheel of Fortune. Oo, this is movement. Mabilis ang pangyayari. Alam nyo, Aquarius, ano man tong mangyayari sa inyong creative passion or even the dating situation ninyo, it is meant to happen. It's part of your destiny. Pati yung pag-e-explore mo ng iyong talents and skills, that is also destiny for you. What is the energy ng third house? You have the King of Cups, which is about a person na very deeply emotional. So, maaring yung magiging connections mo with people, with yung mga malalapit sa'yo is going to be deep. Maari ring may offers for projects regarding sa writing, content creation, yeah, ganon. So, that's a possibility as well. What is the energy ng first house? The High Priestess. You're going to be wiser than ever. So, kumbaga, mas yung mga experiences mo before, ngayong itong transit na to, moving forward, especially itong Pluto in Aquarius, is going to be transformational sa'yo in terms of knowledge, in terms of yung iyong instinct, intuition, mas magiging malakas din yung instinct mo. This can also mean transformation pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon mo. Kung dati hindi ganun kalalim yung nagiging relationships mo sa iba, ngayon mas malalim na, 'di ba? At yung iba sa inyo, hinahanap nyo ay yung mga connections na talagang, ano, meron kayong merong pareho kayo ng spiritual beliefs, mm. Oh, look at that. It's time to take action, Aquarius. New Moon and Aries. Oh, ayun na. You are going to take action sa mga gusto mong pasuking relationship, whether romantic man yan, platonic, or family. Prosperity lies ahead. Yes. So, may prosperity. Merong maasahan mo yung pagganda or paglago ng iyong finances, ng resources mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.